undertaking this nice topic in this webinar. A most esteemed personalities, Sri Ramapati Kumarji, Chief Executive Officer at the SEED, Mr. Aswani Asukaji, Head of the RE and SEED, and Ravikant Singh, Founder for Doctor for You, Mr. Srishti Mahajan, and Dr. Chandramani Singh, and Dr. Sahajanand Prasad Singh, President for the National President for the IMA. It is a wonderful opportunity for me to be the part of witnessing the report launching on transforming health infrastructure through decentralized renewable energy DRE in Bihar. Friends, it is providing healthcare on a larger scale to reach every corner of the state with uniformity is the most gigantic task and needs understanding of the individual's life residing in a particular locality. Health and disease are very much dependent on proportional to the local nature and locally available resources. There are abundance of nature of resources which are variable in nature but have similarity in utilizations. These local resources are evergreen and available since their inception. They have compatibility with local environment and easily get understood by the local inhabitants. Same energy finds different sources at local level. In consideration to their cost effectiveness, one of the most essential component of health care system comes to minimum when they are utilized with uniformity. Attempts to implement external sources in the name of equality will always find most difficult task in terms of their understanding in applicability and cost effectiveness. Sustainability is the most important matter which depends on applied features in terms of awareness and implementation. Reaching to each individual's health with equal benefit by governance system need promotion of local resources by way of bringing awareness and upgradation of their application with use of advanced technological adaptations. Understanding of natural phenomena of life within a social environment and anthropological features are matter of policy decision for consideration by governance system of the nation at central point and implementation at the local variable way will always only bring uniform health care to be the most sustainable. It is diversity with uniformity aspect of nature only helps to have better application to reach every individuals on larger scale of varied community throughout the country. Adaptations comes with bringing simillimum nature together with everlasting effect and comprehensibility at every level of the society. In Bihar context, the rural health statistic which has been presented by you indicates that it lags behind in terms of fulfilling the basic services and infrastructural arrangement in many health centers in village level. Access to quality energy has been a bigger problem in these centers at about 64.5% of their do not have the reliable and quality electric supply. With the efforts made by the present governance system in Bihar, the state has great improvement as observed from the National Family Health Survey in the past few decades. Now coming to BVHA, which is a state level networking organization committed for community health promotions. It has a strong network of 400 plus civil organizations in Bihar, including charitable hospital and dispensaries. As a renewable energy is the only alternative source of energy which can reduce the burden on various energy generations material, Bihar Voluntary Health Association, being a state level network organizations, can contribute to promote to renewable energy. Bihar participations can be can be involved in various ways. We can have a orientation of the BVHA networking organizations. Then we can call for a sensitization meeting with the different stakeholders at divisional level. We have the facility to facilitate study in different governments health facilities. We have we are fully equipped with the need assessment of the on this topic and prepare a probable blueprint. Then it is also important that community awareness program with the involvement of its network involvement is required, and we with our network members and the partners have a great opportunity to share the informations among all. And it is also necessary to involvement of the high school and college students through the various way like making the quiz, debate, rally, etc. This will bring more awareness among the younger generations in adaptations and moving towards the most genuine topics of the current time. Then interface with the various spokespersons and chairpersons of political parties is also required, and we had been involved in such activity for the different issues, and we are also we can get involved with these things. So interface with the concerned government officials, and then finally it is also required to prepare and develop a demonstration field, etc. In our state, BVHA networking experience since more than last 50 years, we observe Bihar is rightly poised for the new approach in solarization of the health care with health energy. Integration at the last state assembly elections has been political and public consciousness on the DRE solutions for overall human development. Development of the new state government in power also made promises accordingly. The crisis of COVID-19 has also compelled the government and policymakers to rethink the current state of health affairs and devote more resources for strengthening the public health facility. This makes ample opportunity for a solarization process which will address the twin objective of enhancing energy security in the health institutions and simultaneously increases access to the health services to the people in dire needs. We thank SEED and Shakti Sustainable Energy Foundations for undertaking most challenging tasks and assure on behalf of BVHA to extend all supports in their venture by providing our services